Since witnesses are being assassinated, the Madlanga Commission decided that witnesses will now remain anonymous. Now we have Witness E, who has been speaking a lot of very interesting things. So Witness E says that Senzo Mchunu, the police commissioner, had his private number. So he called him in 2024, and Senzo Mchunu referred to himself as this guy's commander, Witness E. So he was shocked, but why are we shocked? Because Senzo Mchunu, we have found out that he has so much powers within the police, so he can get your number if he wants to. But another interesting thing that Witness E said is that the assassination of Sindiso Makaka, the councillor of Umzumkulu municipality in KZN, he tried to tell the police that there was going to be assassination of this guy on top, is a member of the ANC, Sindiso Makaka. So this guy got assassinated in 2017. So Witness E says that, hey man, I tried to tell the police that they were going to assassinate this guy, but the police didn't do anything. But why do we expect the police to do anything? Because we have found out that the police are dirty. They are corrupt. And if the police commissioner himself at the top, Senzo Mchunu, is the most corrupt person, then what do you expect the police to do anything? What if Senzo Mchunu is the one that sent an assassination or a hit on Sindiso? So you wouldn't really know. So the interesting thing about Witness E is that he's part of the intelligence. So he's an intelligence officer, which is quite interesting because Brown Moholt is also part of the intelligence community. But when he speaks, man, this guy doesn't know how to articulate himself. But Witness E, you can hear when he talks that, oh, this guy really knows what he's talking about. We can actually follow his story because Brown Moholt, man, like, how did he get this job of being an intelligence officer? Because, man, when he speaks most of the time, you can tell that he doesn't even know what he's talking about. I know we never really judge a person by, being able to articulate themselves in English because, we are still Africans. So you should speak in his language, and even when he speaks in his own language, you can hear that this guy, man, damn. But anyways, I'm really glad that the Madlanga Commission is protecting witnesses because, hey man, you may never know at this point because we found out that Senzo Mchunu has too many powers, too many connections. There was a witness, a guy who passed away last year. They assassinated him, and the guy who got assassinated in Paris. Okay, someone correct me, I forgot the guy's name, but it's part of the ANC. So, but anyways, yeah, the Madlanga Commission